How important is unity within our churches? What are some keys to unity? Let's begin in Psalm 133. Though we shouldn't tolerate heresy, do we differ over many unimportant issues within our churches? Do we make unity a top priority? Look how good and how pleasant it is when brothers live together in unity. It's like precious oil on the head, descending to the beard, even to Aaron's beard, and flowing down to the edge of his robes. It's like the dew of Hermon, falling on Zion's mountains, for there the Lord commanded his blessing, life everlasting. Is there a more important cause for unity than agreement over every doctrinal twig, every minor church decision? What does humility demand of us for the sake of unity? I therefore, the prisoner of the Lord, beseech you that you walk worthy of the vocation wherewith you are called, with all lowliness and meekness, with long suffering, forbearing one another in love, endeavoring to keep the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. Because every one of us has different gifts, how does the human body remind us that God intends us to be unified? For even as the body is one, and yet has many members, and all the members of the body, though they're many, are one body, so also is Christ. For also by one Spirit we were all baptized into one body, whether Jews or Greeks, whether slaves or free, and we were all made to drink of one Spirit. How does purpose create joyful unity within the local church? Therefore, if there's any encouragement in Christ, if any consolation of love, if any fellowship of the Spirit, if any affection and compassion, make my joy complete by being of the same mind, maintaining the same love, united in spirit, intent on one purpose. How do tolerance, forgiveness, and love contribute to perfect church unity? Bear with each other and forgive one another. If any of you has a grievance against someone, forgive as the Lord forgave you. And over all these virtues put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity. How important is unity within our churches? What are some keys to unity? You decide.